What up, you guys? It's your boy Lemmy here, and today I'm about to be taking delivery of my 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. If you're new here, man, you guys already know what to go ahead and do. I'm gonna go ahead and try my best to get the best content I can today. And without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this. All right, guys, I'm about less than 5 minutes away from the dealership, man. I'm excited. I'm ready to go ahead and get in this thing, man. I'll see y'all when we get in there. Ooh, look at that boy. There he is. Oh, shit. Ah.
Gotta have this for 10 o'clock sharp. This morning I pulled in to say, I'm about to have
Oh, man. Oh, we getting the detail, man. Oh, man. That's too good. That's too good. Definitely worth the wait, man.
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, man.
Hey, the key laying in that thing. I'm gonna start it. Go ahead.
Oh, man. We getting the detail, you guys. Oh, man. I've been waiting on this thing for a little minute. Oh, it's so definitely worth the wait. Oh, man. Check her out. Got the 392 on there, boy. Oh, man. Oh, that's insane. Yo, go and hit him with the cold start, Mr. Ken. Oh, you didn't have to do me like that. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh wow. Okay. Alright, man, so we at the dealership. We doing this paperwork. I ain't trying to be too loud and everything, but man, this thing is mine. I'm already signing all this shit, dude. Alright, you guys. So I just need to go ahead and get my insurance cards and my vehicle registration out of my old car. And then, man, we're gonna get to the paperwork. But for y'all that don't know, which y'all clearly don't, I was driving a Ford Fusion. But now we done upgraded, man. It's a great day. It's a great day. I'm feeling real good, man. I'm happy. All right, I'll see y'all after the paperwork. Oh, man. I'm finally in this thing, man. All that paperwork is finally done, bro. We in that thing. We in the Scat Pack, bro. Let me put that down real quick. We in the Scat Pack, man. Oh, my gosh. Look at this thing, bro. Oh, my gosh. 2021. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, man. Look at that. I ain't never had nothing like this in my life, bro. Man, most of y'all probably don't even know me, but where I come from, bro, this is a dream come true, man. I done worked so hard. I done grinded for this, man. It's just, it's really a blessing. I couldn't really be more happier, man. I just want to say, if any of y'all out there are watching, man, I really appreciate you. For sticking around for this long. I know the video probably short anyway, but I'm new to this vlogging stuff, and it's gonna go up from here, man. It's only gonna go up from here. That's all I can say. You know, I'm a newbie to this, so don't fry me for none of this shit, man. So, but thank y'all for watching. Like I said at the beginning, y'all already know what to do if y'all are new, man. Appreciate you. I'm out.